Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to clear Capcut cache. The process is straightforward and effortless. And as you can see, I already opened the Capcut application. And now how can you clear cache? Take a look on the left top. Here you will see the options: media, audio, text, and on the above of these options, you can see one more option. And the name of that option is menu. Tap on this option. And in this pop-up, tap on this option settings. And here you can see the option on the last cache size. But if I tap on this option delete, you can see I cannot tap on it because I need to close the project before deleting the cache. So let's close the project and then we can clear cache. So I am closing the project by tapping on this cross icon, which is on the right top. Now again, take a look on the right top. You can find the option settings, tap on it, and tap on the first option settings. And now you can see the delete icon has been enabled. And here is one more thing you have to do here. You can turn on this auto delete cache feature, tap on it and choose a date. And after that, cache file will be deleted automatically from the Capcut. And if you want to delete the cache now, then tap on this option, delete, and tap on the option. Okay, then the cache file will be deleted. So before deleting the cache file here, you can also read: it does not affect the use of history project. If you need to use stickers, effects, and other material, you need to download them again. It means after deleting the cache file, all the downloaded stickers, effects, and other material will be gone, so you have to download them again. So it was the fundamental way by which you can delete cache on Capcut.